welcome back to my channel. Look what I got for me today. 2020 TB, 2020 CB, whatever that means. But these are the newest updated JRL Clippers set. I got this for my birthday yesterday. I'm 18.
Yes, sir.
Glory to God, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna unbox these and give you guys my honest review. All right, I got the box here. Let's open it up. Ooh, this is tough. The Ghost JRL Clippers product put up price perfect. Yo, this is cold. The color is sick. As you can see, it comes with the cap to protect the blades. Very similar design to the Onyx Clippers. Oh, this is amazing. It doesn't show the battery life though, I'm not sure. It's usually here, but it's not there. This is amazing. Feels amazing. And we got the trimmer. Now, I don't know if these trimmers are zero gat or if they're hitters, like for lineups and stuff like that. It's got like this handle thing to like hang it up and charge it or whatever. Like I said again, the cap to protect the blades. These are the chargers to place your clippers and trimmers on it, and you charge it. Look at this box. Here we got the charger. We've got all the guards. You know what I'm saying? We got tools right here. We got the oil. I think these are for zero gapping. Yes, sir. But this is the end of my video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll put a link down below in the description for you guys to check it out and maybe buy it. But yeah, catch you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.